Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today in this sprouting video, I want to go ahead and announce that I'm working with another company, you guys. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and go into detail on what the company is and their website and some things they sell. So guys, the company I'm working with is called Southern Living Plants. Southern Living Plants is an amazing company that sells plants of different variety, and they sell it and deliver it with great quality. Trust me guys, they're an amazing company. So I'm gonna go today in this video go over what the website is and some things they go ahead and sell and future plans we have for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So Southern Living Plants Collection is an amazing company that sells a lot of plants on their website. They sell from boxwoods, annuals, perennials, arborvitaes, anything you could ask for is on their website. If you have any questions on what happened to your order or stuff like that, you can go ahead and message them on Instagram, and I'll put their Instagram down below as well. So if you want. I'll put the link to the website down below for you guys, so make sure to go ahead and check it out. They also work with another company called Plants by Mail. I also recommend Plants by Mail because I'm working with Southern Living Plants, which they work with Plants by Mail, which I believe shits their plants, they told me. So yeah, so let's go ahead and finish this video off for you guys. This video up. Huge shout out for Southern Living Plants for working with me. All their social medias and website is going to be down below, along with my social medias and my sister's social medias is going to be down below as well. So make sure to go check her out. If you want to know more about organizing or art, go ahead and go over to her channel, and she's going to teach you that in her channel. So huge shout out once more to Southern Living Plants for working with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to get notified when I post a new video, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when I post a new sprouting video for you guys. So make sure to see my recent video, which is going to be in the link down below. Make sure to go check them out to keep your garden flourishing and producing for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.